Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Freshbooks. But first, let's talk about what it is. So, Freshbook is a cloud based accounting tool for small businesses and freelancers. It helps with invoicing, tracking expenses, managing projects, and creating reports, making it easier to manage your finances. Now, let's start with the dashboard. This shows you an overview of your finances like revenue, invoices, expenses, and profits, so you can easily see how things are going. Next is the Client tab. Here, you can add and manage client info, send estimates and invoices, and keep track of past work and communications. The Estimates tab lets you send quotes to clients before you start work. Once they approve it, you can turn it into an invoice. Now, the Invoices tab. This is where you create and manage invoices. You can add taxes, set payment terms, and track which invoices are paid or overdue. The Payments tab shows you payments that you've received. It works with PayPal, credit cards, and more, so you can easily see what's paid and what's still due. In the Expenses tab, you can track costs like bills and receipts. It helps you stay organized and makes tax time easier. The Project tab lets you organize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. You can also keep clients updated and make sure everything gets done on time. Now, finally, the Time Tracking tab helps you log billable hours so you can track how much time you spend on tasks and turn those hours into invoices. And that's it. That's how you use FreshBooks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.